Hi Year 8, this is a quick video to help you with the worksheet for the activity today, which is the Merge Sort worksheet. So for this example, I've come up with a question. It's a different question to one that you've been given, but it's set out in exactly the same way. So this one asks you to sort the animals, and there are 8 animals listed. Now the first step is to write those animals each in the boxes at the top row that you've been given. Now this just shows them that they're each just stored as single items. Okay, so we can see we've put them in there. I haven't done any sorting on them yet. I've just put them in the same order that they were listed in the question. Now with the merge sort, we look at the first 2 items in our list, and we're going to compare those 2 items and bring them together to form an a new list of 2 items. So the first 2 items here, we've got the worm and the lion. So we compare those and we put those underneath as a new joined list, but this time we place them in order. So we compare the 2 and we put them down in alphabetical order. So the lion first, then the worm. And then you're going to repeat the process with the next items. So we look and you compare the bee and the cat. Are they in the right order? Comparing these 2, and then we put those down, and so on until you've completed all of those. So now we have 4 short lists. Each list has just 2 items, and the next step is to join these together to create a list of 4 items, but each time we're going to compare the first items in the list. Okay, so the next row we're just going to be looking at these 4 first of all. So we look at the lion, the worm, and we compare that with the bee and the cat, and we place down the first item here, which is the bee, and then the rest of those 4 items in that order. Okay, and then we move across and we look at the next 2 lists, and we're going to compare these 2 lists and join them to create one list which is in order. So the ant would go first, followed by the dog, the duck and the frog. Now that we've got 2 lists that have both been sorted into order, we are then going to merge these 2 lists to create one list which will be sorted in order at the end. And so the ant would go first, because out of the bee and the ant comes first in the alphabet. And once you've done that, you'd then be able to cross off the ant, and you're going to compare the bee and the dog, what goes next, and then so on, and you would have your list in alphabetical order. Okay, so those are the stages that you need to show in these questions. Good luck. I hope that you can manage these questions. If you need any further help, don't forget to message your teacher on chat, on class chats, or via Teams. Okay.